Hi, I'm Sam from Fine & Country. Welcome today to the delightful conservation village of Churchover in North Warwickshire, where behind me sits the White House, a beautiful 5-bedroom period home situated in the heart of the village. There's an annex, 1¼ acres of gardens and a tennis court. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. The White House is rightly listed Grade 2 as a building of historical importance. There's a dining room with an attractive fireplace and a large lounge with views of the front and a beautiful ingle nook. Neighbouring the sitting room is a beautifully constructed oak conservatory. The kitchen breakfast room has views to both sides of the gardens. On the first floor, the master bedroom has a large ensuite bathroom. This beautiful property has 4 more ample-sized bedrooms and a family bathroom. The gardens themselves form the centrepiece of the sale of this wonderful house. There are mowed pathways that meander down the garden, past the productive kitchen garden, behind a beech hedge, a wildlife pond, and beyond that to the tennis court. Nestled beneath the village church, the White House is truly an exquisite period home. If you'd like to join us for an exclusive viewing, then please contact myself or my colleagues on the details that are about to follow.